Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use uppercase. Mastering capitalization is crucial for clear and professional communication. Uppercase letters serve several key purposes, from distinguishing proper nouns to adding emphasis. We'll explore why correct usage is vital for readability and how it impacts the overall perception of your written work, making it more polished and effective. Let's dive into common scenarios. Always capitalize proper nouns, like names of people, places, and specific organizations. Acronyms, such as NASA or FBI, are typically all caps. For titles and headings, capitalize the first word and all major words. You might also use all caps for a single word or a very short phrase to convey strong urgency, like stop. While useful, overuse of uppercase can be detrimental. Writing entire paragraphs in all caps significantly reduces readability and is often perceived as shouting, especially in digital communication. Instead of using all caps for emphasis, consider alternatives like bolding, italics, or increasing font size for a more professional and less aggressive tone. Mindful usage is key. To ensure effective uppercase usage, always strive for consistency across all your documents. Leverage grammar-checking tools and consult reputable style guides, such as the Chicago Manual of Style or the AP Stylebook, for specific rules. Regular practice and attention to detail will significantly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your writing, making your message impactful and easy to understand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.